how to charge your DJI Action 5 Pro. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to charge the battery of your Action 5 Pro. Now, all you'll need for this is the USB-C cable that would have been provided when you first purchased the camera, and you'll obviously need the DJI camera itself. So to go and charge this, we just need to tilt the camera onto its side, and just beneath the power button, you'll see this small lid that we can go and remove in order to reveal the charging port. So all you need to do is go and press down at this small button with a downwards arrow, and at the same time of pressing this down, you just need to slide the lid downwards like so. So it might be a bit tight to begin with, just make sure you're pushing the button down as you slide this case out. You can then go and pull the lid up at a 90-degree angle, and this is going to reveal the USB-C charging port. So now all we simply need to do is go and take our USB-C cable and plug one end into the camera itself, and the other end of this will need to be plugged in to a charging outlet. So this could be a laptop or a computer, or it could just be a wall socket with a USB-C adapter. And once this is plugged in charging, if you come round to the back of the camera, you should see the battery percentage sign appear, and this just indicates that the camera is actually charging. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.